Alright, today we're working on the Silverado SS. It's the 2005 rear-wheel drive model. We got our Street Performance shocks from Beltec. And we're going to be installing the rear ones today and then the front ones later. But first thing we want to do is we want to do what they call prime the shocks. You'll get your shocks like this. What you want to do is hold on to the bottom here. Cut your shipping strap, let it fully extend. All the way. And then we're going to compress it. It's all the way compressed. We'll let it extend all the way. We'll cycle through it about 4 times. And what it does is it works all the air out. Because once it's on the truck, it may never fully extend all the way. So that's 1. There's 2. And most shocks manufacturers recommend doing this before you install them on your car. That's 3. And we'll do it one more time. Some manufacturers say 2 to 3 times. Some say 3 to 4, so we're just going to go ahead and do it 4 times just to be on the safe side. It only takes a couple more seconds to do one more cycle. And again, this is for the 05 Silverado Super Sport. And if you're looking for the rear part number, there it is right there, 2212FF. And that's all it takes.